All right, so right now I'm going to teach you how to create a marketing campaign, email campaign. So let's go with marketing. And then now we will go here in emails. All right, so right now I will just click create campaign. So I always want to create blank. So, but you can use different templates. So for example, email marketing templates. It will show you different types of ready-made campaign. So you can also choose here if you want something like about beauty and fashion, business coaching, etc. So you will just edit that. But for me, I always want to create start with a blank page. And then click design editor. And then you can see here automatic go high level. You already have a AI assistant that you can use. But for now, because I already have a ready-made email campaign, so for example, like this one, I want to welcome them into my community. All right. So right now I will close this, and then if you can see here, here is start from scratch. So for example, I will add this as my headline, and then to add the elements you will just click here. So for example, for example like this, so I want something heading and heading, or so for example text. So that is drag and drop. Okay, okay, so okay, so all right, so I will add a text here. So for example, this mabuhay, and then I will copy this. So you just need to edit them the way you want your email campaign looks like. And then actually I want to add a picture here or image, right? So here I will just upload. Okay, so this is the one that I want to insert like that. And then actually like that. Okay, so that's it. So this is already your campaign. So now, if you will, um, so like that, and then you can click preview how it looks like. You can see here. So actually, like this. Um, all right. So this is loading. Probably I will just remove this. Okay. All right, so I will remove this one. All right, so you can just delete. All right, like that, and you can save that or send or schedule. So for example, let's try this and test this in my email. So for example, like that sender, who will be the sender? So for example, um, all right, so Pinoy Biz Connect, and then from email is Pinoy Biz Connect. Okay, and then so right now, my title or my subject here, or subject line. This is gonna be my subject line, and then pre-header. We can copy this. And then, so for example, like this contact. So, like what I said, it's always make sure that you add a tag in your what they call this contact. So, like what I said, you can add tags there. So, for example, tag is newsletter. Okay. So instead of contacts that you're gonna add one by one, so you will just need to click tag. So all of the uh, contact contacts that you have under the newsletter or any tag, you just click that and automatic it will send it to them. Okay, so I always like to track the click and then add the tags and then resend email to unopened, so to make sure, that um, they will get this email to them. All right, so now we can also send test email. So for example, I will test this in my email. All right, and then send test. All right, so let's go to my email and let's see if we're going to receive it. All right, so let's see inbox. And so sometimes it will not go there, usually when this is a new email, it will go always in promotions. So let's see that. Let's check. Okay, so right now it's still not it's still loading. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so how about in social? Okay, uh, let's go in primary again. All right, so right now, um, or maybe it goes to our spam because this is a test. And all right, so like what I'm thinking. So because this is a new email. Okay, so that's why it's very important there. And then let's go back again in our inbox and let's see if how it this looks like. All right, so look at that, how so beautiful. So you can see here our email, and that's it. So you can also add more information here. So for example, we can add more links, social links in our email. So they can check also. Let's just save this. Okay, let's go back to our email. So that's why it's very important to test uh, the the email first before you send to your leads. Okay, so for example, I want to add also the social here. Okay, okay, add the social. Okay, because I cannot see it. All right, so let me see. Okay, so I will add the social here, and then I will put it down because I cannot. All right, so like that. So now you can just add the icons of your Instagram here. So for example, like this. So I don't have the X, I don't have Pinterest, I don't have LinkedIn. So only this. So just add your URL here. Facebook. So let's switch in our account. Or let's just All right, so what we need is our link from our Facebook. All right, so I will just copy this link, and then let's go back to our email campaign. And then here I will just paste the URL of the Facebook, and then the Instagram. So for the Instagram, we can just go to Instagram. So the same thing, we will just get our uh, link. So like this one, just copy this, and then let's go back. So paste the URL here, and okay, save. All right, so now we can preview how this looks like. All right, so now you can test it. Make sure to test it if it's gonna go through that clicks. So again, if ever you have any like call to action to click there, you can also add more like button here or links that you want to add there. Okay, so that's it. So that's how you can create your email campaign in high level.